Morning. This is the road to Holly Beach. As you can see, it's a pretty iffy road. Oh boy. I find not too many people come out here. Oh boy. That is a mess. At least it's dry right now, but you can see what happens when it's wet. You gotta find your own ruts here. Oh man. This is just some sections of the road. Part of it's good, but if it's wet and it's good, it's still slippery as hell. You end up in the ditch real easy if you're going too fast. But yeah, see, this is kind of smooths out a little bit, but there'll be more spots like that last one in there. So, well, now you know. Morning. Well, we're going to try it out at Holly Beach today. Took some video on the way in here so you guys can get an idea of what you're looking forward to when you get out here, if you get out here. That road coming out here, man, that is something else. I think they can come out here and do some mud dogging or something on that road when it's wet and rainy. Leave ruts like you wouldn't believe, like you're on the moon or something. So, craters. But once you're out here on the water, the shoreline is muddy, so you're going to get muddy. But I've made some damn good catches out of here. I haven't been out here in, I guess about 4 or 5 months, I think. Kind of stopped because if it rains, you happen to be out here on the water, kayak. By the time you get back to your truck and you take off, load up, you take off, well, that road gonna be a sloppy mess, man. You'll be lucky if you can get out. So it's a little bit risky coming out here. Something to get a trout, probably. Yeah, that's good size, looks like, feels like. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, let me see who you are. Oh man, it's a red. What is it? I think it's a red. Sure enough, it's a red. I don't know if it's a keeper though. It's pretty close. And check it out. Oh yes, not. He's 19. Alright, buddy. You get to go home. Send your big brother over. That's something small. Look at a skipjack. Damn. Oh, it's a trout. Pretty close to the limit, I think. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's too small. Maybe about 14. Oh man, these are skipjacks. Pull real hard and just tear up the plastics and Whoa. That's strong, whatever it is. Whoa. Whoa. Come on back, whatever you are. I think it's a skipjack, but we'll see, I hope. Oh my gosh, he's going around the kayak. Now, what am I supposed to do? Wait. What a tangled mess. Let me see if I can get him on this side. Man, this thing is fast, whatever it is. Completely around the kayak and coming back. Yeah, there he is. What are you? Oh, I think it is a skipjack. Yeah, it's a skipjack. Boy, they fight great, man, but can't take him home. Oh well. Get him off. Boy, he did fight real good. It's a big sucker. Alright, I'm gonna get him off and probably take off. There he goes. Got off by himself. Oh boy. I'm gonna try it a couple more throws and then probably call it. Almost 12. Had plenty of bites, but I think it was just a bunch of skipjacks. Bite real hard and tear up the plastics and wouldn't get hooked. Hooked a couple, but they were skipjacks, so. Oh well. Anyway, this is Holly Beach. There's the two little islands right there. And not too bad of a day, a little bit windy, but not too bad. So we're gonna head out and call it. That's it. Let's see, on the way back I can take some more video of that trail we gotta use to get out here. It's a mess, man. I may not come out here anymore. It's just too iffy on that road. Alrighty, we'll come back. Thanks for coming with me. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe and hit that bell. Get notifications of when I put up a new video. Alrighty, be back.